Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Skate game crashing, not launching, not loading or other issues on PS5. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart PlayStation. So this is one of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problems. You just need to open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then choose power button, then select restart PS5. Now check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5, then hold down power button unless two beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. After this, check if it helps. If not, next solution is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. And after doing this, check if the issue is fixed. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For this, first go to settings, then network, then settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to change language on console. So for that, first open PS5 settings or go to Steam. Select language options in the left sidebar. After that, select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next solution is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and not running on outdated version. First highlight the game. Now press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to proceed for the game update. Next method is to restore licenses. First open settings, then users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select skate, then select restore and finally confirm by selecting yes. So after restoring licenses, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next is to sign out and sign in to PS5. For that, first go to settings, then click on user and accounts. Next go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and check for the error if it is resolved. Next solution is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5. Now select system. Now go to system software, then select system software update and settings. Next choose update system software if any update is available and finally select update using internet option. After doing this, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to delete game save file. For that, open settings on your PS5 menu. Now select save data. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select skate option. After doing this, check if it helps. If not, next is to reset your console settings. For that, first launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now select reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last choose restore option. Next solution is to reinstall Skate. So first highlight Skate on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install Skate again to check if the error is fixed or not. If not, final method is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from PlayStation support. Link I have provided in the description. Just go through it and wait for some time unless you get any help from the support team. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.